everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do eyeliner for hooded eyes. As you can see, this is one of the look in the video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my makeup journey. This is the journey where I watch other YouTubers on YouTube and watch how they do their makeup and the technique they use, and then embed it into my own tutorials and see how much I can learn watching their videos and improving myself along the way. Please subscribe to keep up with all the new tips I've learned, so you can also learn them as well with me. And I hope you enjoyed this video.
كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سوى.
The reason why I've decided to do this eyeliner tutorial today is I found that every time I do my eyeliner I get a bit anxious to actually go all out. I get anxious to actually do a long, nice, big wing like this, and I absolutely love the fact that I've done it today because it just looks so nice and like it goes with your natural look. And if you want to actually use it for a full glam look as well, you can, because it'll even look more better with eyeshadow and eyelashes. So I just wanted to keep it simple today so you guys can see it as well as possible. So how do you know that you have hooded eyes? So as you can see here, my eyelid folds over this part of my eyelid, so it just looks droopy. So if I can put this over, can you see? And then it flops over again. So normally this is the reason why the eyeliner doesn't look as obvious as possible to other people, because if you were to use your eyeliner and bring it all out and then go here, then when your eyelid goes over the other eyelid, it just literally hits everything that you've done. So I've decided to do this eyeliner tutorial today so you can avoid this eyelid mistakes that happens, and you can actually use your own eyelid to your own advantage. So you can use any type of eyeliner for this makeup tutorial. I would recommend using a pointy one so you have more control while applying the eyeliner onto your eyelid. So this eyeliner tutorial is a simple eyeliner. This one is just to make your eyes look bigger and fuller. You can use it for everyday look or no makeup look as well. And it's very simple. Just take your time to make sure that the eyeliner is as close to your eyelashes as possible. So it's not that noticeable, but it still is noticeable. This eyeliner is fabulous. It just makes your makeup look really nice and simple. To finish off, you can just use mascara just to make your eyeliner look even more perfect, and this will make your eyelashes look even fuller. For the second look, I'll be doing the C wing. This eyeliner you can actually do for any makeup. You can do it for full glam, you can do it for soft glam. It's nice for hooded eyes because you do it just at the bottom of your creases. So even if you close your eyes, you open your eyes, you'll still be able to see the full eyeliner. This is really nice and simple, and if you want to finish off with this eyeliner, you can just add eyelashes, and this will just make it stand out even more. The eyelashes will look like it's eyeliner as well, so that looks perfect for you. For the third look, I'll be doing the reverse eyeliner. This one you can do it so many different ways. You can do it with eyeshadow. This will be like more of a smoky reverse liner, but this one I'm just going to do it with eyeliner just to keep it simple, so it's beginner friendly as well. So you just literally add the eyeliner at the bottom of your eyes and then just blend it into the eyelid as well. It kind of look like Egyptian eyeliner. It's really nice and simple, especially if you have really simple eyeshadow on. This look will just make it pop even more. So a little tip, if you want to make your eyeliner look as neat as possible, use foundation and a brush such as the one I'm using to make sure it looks nice and neat and, you know, professional as well. So your makeup can just look all put together. And don't forget to blend in the foundation as well. So I've left the best for the last. So fake it until you make it. This one is more of a, I wouldn't say risky eyeliner look, but this one you would actually do it on your hood, on the hood part of your eyelid. So the best advice I can give you is make sure that you actually pull up your eyebrow. So when you're actually doing this eyeliner, you can see exactly where you need to draw it. And don't be afraid to draw it messy, because you can still use the foundation to make it look all nice and neat. I really love this eyeliner because it just makes your makeup look so unique and professional and nice, especially if you wear eyeshadow with it and you have a full glam makeup look. It looks really nice. It doesn't even look like you have hooded eyes. So that's why the name is Fake It Until You Make It. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment down below and let me know which look is your favorite, and if you have used one of them and actually worked on it.